Hi, I'm Indrajit Bariyar, founder of BARIAR'S IAS Academy, an initiative led by ex-faculty members of Rau's IAS Study Circle. For over 13 years, I have been mentoring UPSC aspirants. 8 of those years spent at Rau's IAS Bangalore. Now, to fill the growing void in quality mentorship here in Bangalore, we have launched BARIAR'S IAS Academy, a space where experience meets commitment. I want to sincerely thank the student community for the overwhelming trust and response to our first batches already in motion.
Hi, I am Arun, the co-founder of BARIAR'S IAS Academy. Today we are thrilled to announce the collaboration with UPSC Guide, a trusted name in UPSC preparation space with a community of over 1 million learners and a proven track record of results.
With experienced mentors in Bangalore, our focus is on foundational clarity. We help you build mental models that you can reuse across GS, across optional. Our course follows one consistent learning loop: concept, practice, feedback, and iterate.
Every class is integrated into the UPSC Guide LMS with lectures, notes, and tests, so your progress is transparent and measurable. The LMS tracks your learning journey, your attendance, test scores, revision streaks, etc., and gently nudges you whenever you slip.
Learn with mentors who have guided toppers. Train with a system built on data and discipline. Build clarity, stay consistent, convert it into marks.
Our Core Mangala Center is now open. Drop by, meet your mentors, and experience the classroom energy firsthand.